Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about a Dollar Tree laundry room organization. This entire organization system cost me $16 and I just love how it turned out. Also, in the middle of this project, our washer actually ended up dying, so it kind of turned out to be a laundry room makeover. Alright, so here is my very tiny, very compact laundry room. You can see it's pretty stuffed to the max down there with dog food, and I just hate the way that everything is cluttered. It's all up on the top. We're using that as storage. The detergents, just I don't like the way they look just on top of the washers and things like that. And there we have the dog things hanging like they're leashes. So it's very tough to walk in and out of this laundry room with the garage being right to the left. So something needs to be done. Here's the inside of the cabinets. It is a huge mess. There's no rhyme or reason, and things have just been thrown in here for years, so time for a change. We just recently painted our kitchen cabinets, and I have a whole dedicated video on that, so I will link that down below if you want to see pretty much the entire process of how we did that. But all that's left to do in here is just the base of the cabinet. So I'm going to start off by blue taping everything and getting the primer and the paint on so we can get this project started. Alright, now that all the paint has dried, I am going to take out every item and put it on my kitchen table and literally go through each item and see what I can trash, donate, and organize. And here I am drawing out how many boxes I have so I can kind of plan out how I want to organize everything. This is the aftermath of taking the washer and dryer out. And this is after vacuuming at least twice. Once with the regular vacuum and then once with the shop vac. So I have a lot of cleaning to do in here. That's pretty gross. So let's get mopping. I needed something cute to put them in, so I found this little cute antique box at HomeGoods. It was on clearance for like $3, and then I just cut out a piece of whatever this is called to put at the bottom of cabinets, and just so it can catch any spills or anything. I just cut it to fit that and placed it right in. I feel like this makes such a cute display. Just love how that looks. So starting here, I pretty much just organize things from like laundry supplies, and I have some open buckets because it's always nice to have room to grow. And then over here, I have a lot of cleaning products and supplies and all my microfibers, and this system's really been working well. Once I'm done cleaning, I can just toss it in here, and then when it gets full, I can do a load easily. It's all really convenient and really functional. Now the things up top are things that I don't really reach for very often, so it doesn't bother me that they're very high, including things like light bulbs or vases, stain removers. We rarely ever iron, so I don't even think we own an iron, but we have some supplies that go with it. And then this section over here, I got this little thing at Target and we hung it up here. It's been really nice to hanging up our clothes. So I have pant hangers and shirt hangers up here. And then I bought this little thing to hold things like Swiffers and brooms and mops. And so it's all really functional. In this dead space down here, I plan on putting a little shoe rack, but I just haven't found one the right size quite yet. I'm still looking, but yeah. The chalk labels themselves, if you didn't know, I'm actually a teacher, so I have just a lot of this kind of stuff laying around. So those I already had, but being a teacher, I love to stay organized and just be organized and have a functional home. So if you like those kind of things, or maybe need some help organizing or ideas, definitely subscribe because I am full of those ideas and I love to share them. I also do cleaning videos, DIYs, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!